Firing up an LS7 and a 71. This is gonna be my first time doing that. Let's get to it. What's going on, guys? Met over here, Lethal Garage. I got Mike from Red Barn. He just disappeared. There he is, there, he's here. So Mike from Red Barn Racing, and we're here with the 71. We're gonna fire a motor. I'm excited. I was up at 3 a.m. this morning, maybe. Yeah, everything's connected. The starter's connected, all the interior stuff's connected, everything's connected. I can show you the motor. So as you may have seen in the coil pack video, coil packs are all hooked up. Everything's looking mighty fine. Some of the things that I've done, radiator hoses, went down to O'Reilly's and invaded their radiator hose rack and tried to find parts and pieces and then hacked this one up to fit. Same with the lower. We don't have the trans line connected just yet because I don't have the fittings for it. So the vintage air unit, there was a tab like this one right here, and I couldn't open the oil cap. So I ground that off. Mike was saying I can get some sandpaper and polish. I could probably just polish that out and it'll look like it was never touched. And it doesn't look too bad right now, but we'll polish it up, make it look really good. But now we can take on and off the oil cap. And, oh wait. I can't start it up yet.
Why not?
I have to go get fuel.
How did you forget fuel?
I didn't forget it. I just was gonna do it this morning and we gotta get gas. It needs gasoline.
Yeah, it's because you got an electric car.
Should we go down to...
Turtastic.
Should we go down to Downs and go get some good gas?
They're actually closed today.
How? They're pumps. You can drive right up.
You have to go inside for the race gas.
Even if it's a pump? That means we have to use 91.
Can we fire it up on 91, or we can run over to the shop and grab the 110? I have 5 of one. No, I've got 6 of 110 over there for my car.
Is that enough?
Oh, that's 6 is gonna be a lot to fire it up a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang it. Okay, we'll figure that out. But I just gotta put oil in it. Gotta put oil, transmission fluid. So I did get AMSOIL, the ATF trans fluid. We'll use that for the trans and the power steering. And then for the oil on the car, Mike didn't want to use AMSOIL break-in. As you guys know, I'm an AMSOIL dealer and I love all things AMSOIL, but Mike really likes Valvoline VR1 2050 with the high zinc content for his break-ins. I don't know why, but it's what he likes. So that's what I got because that's what he asked for. Either or, when my builder asked me to get stuff, I get it. So we're gonna be using Valvoline for the break-in, and then we're gonna be running AMSOIL Z-Rod full synthetic oil in this motor. I don't know, what do you think? Will we run the 1030 or the 1040? 1030. So Z-Rod 1030 after the initial break-in, and I'm excited.
A little less race motor, a little more street motor.
I'm excited. We gotta get fuel. We can make Kyle drive. He's got a truck. I don't have a truck anymore. Technically, I do. It's right over there. It's right there. We can go get it. If you guys missed it on Instagram, I made a fun video of me getting fuel in my electric Bolt to get fuel for my 71 Camaro. That's all. Hey, Kyle, can I borrow you for a second? Can you be cameraman? We gotta get a video of the first fill up.
Click clack.
And then see where the fuel's gonna leak.
Give a dog a block. Didn't even give it a sniff test.
Oh, you can smell it. It's terrible 91.
How old is that? At least he found where the gas goes.
This gas smells so terrible. When you're used to like E85 or even C16, like this smell just makes you want to vomit. This car.
Hold on. Stop.
What?
You fell for it again.
I hate you. I might get the sealed tank.
I know.
It's not like we ghetto rigged something and welded it our own. Should I put, do you want me to put more than 5 in, or is 5 good for now?
Hi, it's me again.
So there's a few wiring snags here and there just because they weren't terminated properly because we didn't have the battery back there. But we also ran into a few problems. So the pressure regulator that came with the pumps and everything, even with the bolt all the way out, it won't drop below 15 PSI. So it's way too much pressure. So we got all the pressure on the fuel. We're gonna have to get a different regulator, or something's wrong with that one, but I think we're just gonna need a different regulator. That being stated, everything's wired. We got gas in the vehicle, it's oiled, trans fluid's good. Oh, we didn't put power steering fluid in.
So we have to scream.
Okay, gotta put some fluid in. Oh, wow, it's right there. I'm assuming that will go down.
No.
No?
It'll go up. It'll build pressure.
This is first time. Tough crowd.
I'm learning. He did prime it to get some oil pressure and whatnot earlier. And he got some fuel pressure up in that carburetor. Oh yes, squirties. We're gonna see fireballs.
No.
No.
No, not out that end.
Video footage from yesterday blew the heck out of the microphone, and now I'm having to fix that. So I'm re-recording the firing of the motor in hopes to get better quality. I adjusted the microphone on this setup, and then I also have a cell phone setup, which actually does a pretty good job at compressing the audio so it doesn't blow out the speaker. So hopefully the video footage is better this morning. And also a huge shout out from Mike for stopping by this morning and helping me do this again. So here you guys go. We have LS7. You can kind of hear the cam chopping there a little bit. Obviously, we don't have radiator fluid going through, so we don't want it to run too long right now. Let her cool down. But the Lethal Garage, has a functioning LS7 in a 1971 Camaro. This is exciting. This is, God, how long? I guess it really hasn't been that long compared to some people's builds out there.
You need a badge.
I need a, what badge?
505 horsepower.
50, no, 212. 212. 212.
Well, this one's a little softer than his old one.
I don't know. I'm really happy right now. Thanks, Mike.
Better keep that in your pants, guy.
I don't know what to say. There's obviously quite a few things to button up on the car with the wiring. Dean's gonna be coming back out to finish everything up, but we need a new pressure regulator. We need to finish the wiring. Is there anything else motor-wise? I think unfortunately, we're gonna have to take the spacer off. So with the air filter, I might just not run an air filter. But even then, we'll probably still have to take the spacer off.
That's a snappy little bitch.
Even with the cowl.
That's a baby cow. That's a little baby.
I don't want a giant cow like
little baby cow.
I don't want a 6-inch cow.
This cow figure.
I don't. Good. 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 So that's where we're at. We have a running motor. I'm excited. So huge shout out to Mike, Red Barn Racing. If you guys have a classic car or even a late model car that needs work, hit him up. Red Barn Racing on Instagram. And that's all I got today. We got an LS7. Till next time, guys. See you on the road. No, don't do that.
That's not appropriate.
That is,
You act like I didn't see the reflection.
that will spray white stuff. Oh, stop. That stuff does not come off.
Well, that's why I put on
That is lithium grease.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
It's contact cleaner. I was gonna say.
Didn't even read what was in the can.
No, it just
Terrible.